Today I'm going to show you how Matsch kebab are made in Wazwan. These can be made in hot or spicy gravy or as mild in yogurt gravy too. So these ones are made in yogurt or yakni. So let's get started. For making these, they have taken boneless meat, and in Kashmir, meat with fat is preferred. Now they will start pounding it. Here you can see it's pounded on specifically carved flat stone and wooden mallet. First he will take one chunk of meat, and then he will add other pieces one by one. Wazwan is an art in itself, and almost everything is done manually till date. It's cooked in copper vessels over simmering fire of wood that retains its taste and uniqueness. They keep pounding it till it's totally soft, like a dough. Salt is added, and then he will be adding a big chunk of fat, and they will keep pounding it till it's totally soft and mixed well, till the fat gets properly mixed with it. And when it's fully pounded, it becomes soft. The spices they are adding here are cumin seeds and black cardamom pods, and salt that I have already shown you. And they keep pounding it and moistening it with a sprinkle of water, and they will keep removing veins or granular things if they find anything. Here you can see it's turning very soft. And with this pounded meat, they will be making ristas also, ristas and palak ristas that I have already shown. I'll be leaving a link in the description box for those recipes. Wazwan, all the things are happening simultaneously. They keep doing all the work simultaneously, and they have one dedicated person who will pound the meat for different varieties. Pounded meat is used to make Matsch kebab, gushtaba, ristas and palak ristas. Here now they will keep it refrigerated for a while so that it binds properly, like this. Now they will keep it in refrigeration. Now they have taken the curd or yogurt and they are going to whisk it. Here you can see it's being whisked. In Wazwan, all the varieties are cooked on slow simmering fire of woods. You can see they are whisking it properly, and then they will put it on the flame. Important thing for yakni is that it should not curdle, so they will keep it stirring when it's on flame. So here you can see, and now they will put it on the flame, and they have put a little bit of water in it, and then they will keep it stirring till it gets its first boil. Here you can see it's on the flame. Here it has got its first boil. Now they will let it cook for some time. This yogurt gravy, or the base of yakni, will be used to make danwal korma, gushtaba, and in the same gravy Matsch kebab will be cooked, because they are not going to make it in the hot gravy. Wazwan, danwal korma and yakni or gushtaba I have already shown you. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. Now they will be adding spices. Spice will be same as for gushtaba. They have added same way yakni is made. That include dried crushed mint, salt, green cardamom, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, fennel seed powder, black cardamom and cloves. And they have added mutton stock also before keeping it on the flame. Wazwan has enough mutton stock, so they keep adding it to everything. And now they will let it cook on flame, and taken out the pounded meat from the refrigeration, and now they are adding egg to the pounded meat. Here you can see they are mixing it with soft strokes. They will mix it and pound it a little bit. Then it will be shaped into round balls or gushtabas. Now they are pounding it and mixing egg properly. Once the meat is pounded properly, here you can see the texture, how soft it looks, and the egg is also mixed properly. Then they will roll it into kebabs like this. Here you can see how they are making it. They are cylindrical in shape, and with the same meat, as I have already told you, with the same meat they make ristas, gushtabas, palak ristas. And here you can see this is the Matsch kebab or Matsch kebab. This is the shape. It's a cylindrical kebab. It's cooked in hot gravy also. Now the yakni has been cooking for some time, and they have added gushtaba also in this. So same, they will add now Matsch kebab or Matsch kebab. Here you can see they are adding it to the yogurt or yakni, and they will let it cook. And here you can see it's getting boiled and cooked on the flame. And now they are adding oil to it. And then they will be adding fried shallot paste or prawn. They have fried it first and then made it to a paste. This is added to all the gravies. And then they will let it cook on the flame. It has been on the flame since a while. So they will let it cook till it's fully done, till kebabs also get the taste of yogurt or yakni. Now here Matsch kebab or Matsch kebab are ready. Here you can see, and this is served as a main course dish in Wazwan. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in comments how it turns. And you can check out my other Wazwan videos also. And moreover, you can check my Urdu and Kashmiri channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.